So, hello everyone. So, we will continue our next topic, which is a modern theories in the origin and evolution of the Earth. Now, Edwin Hubble in 1920 provided evidence that the universe is expanding. So, this is called as a Big Bang theory, which was given by Edwin Hubble in 1920. Then, a balloon example of inflation of a point on it, where a balloon points expand that are known as a balloon example. Then scientists believe that through space between galaxies, increasing observation do not support expansion of galaxy. So this was a Edwin Hubble theory. So what is Big Bang theory stages? In the beginning, all matter forming the universe existed in one place, in the form of a tiny ball, with an unimaginably small volume, infinite temperature, and infinite destinies. So at this point, at the first stage, there were only contracted into one place. Then at the Big Bang theory, a tiny ball exploded violently. This led to a huge expansion known as the Big Bang took place 13.7 billion years before present. Today expansion has slowed down within first 3 minutes from Big Bang event first atom began to form. Now then, within 3 lakh years from Big Bang, temperature dropped to 4500 Kelvin and gave rise to atomic matter. The universe became transparent. So this is a Big Bang theory where first initially the objects were considered at one place, then after expansion and after the 3 lakh years ago there was a formation of atomic matter. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.